Hello, it's me, Vicky, again. And in today's video, we're going to learn different words that you can use in English to say good. You want to say different things, ¿yeah? Quieres hablar, usar diferentes palabras, no siempre good. Okay, so we're going to learn 10 other words that you can use instead of good. Vamos a aprender 10 otras palabras que puedes aprender en vez de good. Okay, so number one. Number one is great. Great. It was a great party. It was a great party. Yeah, so instead of it was a good party, it was a great party. Okay, number two. Fantastic. Fantastic. So the food there is fantastic. La comida allí es fantástica. So the food there is fantastic. Fantastic is another way you can say good. Number three, brilliant. Brilliant. He is a brilliant student. Yeah, he's a very good student. Brilliant. So eso puede ser inteligente, pero también just good. Yeah, it can be a brilliant car or a brilliant day, a brilliant house. Anything can be brilliant. Very good. He is a brilliant student. Number four. Cool. Cool. This is a very popular word now. It's a modern word. It is a really cool car. Yeah, it's really good car. Cool. It's a cool car. Or it's a cool job. Or it's a cool holiday. Anything. Number five. Marvelous. It was a marvelous holiday. It was a really good holiday. It was marvelous. Number six, excellent. Excellent. It is an excellent opportunity, a very good opportunity. It is excellent, an excellent opportunity. Number seven, first class. Yeah, if something is first class, it's primera clase, very good. So the service is first class. The service is really good, is first class. Okay, number eight, splendid. Something is splendid, it's very good. Every day was a splendid day in his company. Cada día era un día espléndida con su compañía. So every day was a splendid day in his company. Okay, number nine. This one is really only for people. Okay. Talented. If somebody is talented, for example, she is a very talented singer. She's a very good singer. Yeah, or maybe a talented chef or a talented teacher or anything for a person that they do well, that is good, that they're good at. Talented. She is a very talented singer. And number 10, this is useful. If something is good, in the sense, for example, it is a good thing to have around the house. It is a useful thing to have in the house. Es una cosa útil para tener en la casa. Una cosa buena para tener. Porque es útil. So it's a good thing to have because it's useful. So it is a useful thing to have in the house. Okay, let's have another look at them from number one. So number one, great. It was a great party. Number two, Fantastic. The food there is fantastic. Number 3, brilliant. He is a brilliant student. Number 4, cool. It is a really cool car. Number 5, marvellous. It was a marvellous holiday. 6, excellent. It is an excellent opportunity. 7, number 7, first class. The service is first class. Number 8, splendid. Every day was a splendid day in his company. Number 9, talented. She is a very talented singer. Not me. Number 10, useful. It is a useful thing to have in the house. Okay, I hope you found those 10 alternatives to good. Useful. I hope you found them useful. Okay, and I hope you understand everything okay.